The reckless Ben, bricks and minifigs, American Fork PD love triangle has gotten no shortage of attention. A lot of lawyers have made breakdowns of it, and I've expressed some problems with the way LawTube works and the content mill before. But the last 8 days have led to a very unique and incredibly frustrating problem for me. 8 days ago, American Fork accidentally leaked or posted, whatever you want to call it, a bunch of unredacted body camera footage. This body camera footage, according to multiple attorneys and common sense, contradicts things police said in their affidavits and in their official reports. This is probably the case in many interactions, but we can prove it here. So if at any point past the 3rd of June, an attorney does a breakdown where they compare what Reckless Ben said happened versus what police said in their affidavits and reports, and doesn't mention the unredacted body camera footage, my question is why? Because it seems to be presented as if it was a by-the-book explanation of stalking code in Utah to a group of future lawyers or future cops. But we know things were not fully by the book, or we have an opportunity to show when they were and when they weren't. So it's very odd for me to still, 8 days after this incredible leak, which did show contradictions between what the police wrote down in the reports and what actually happened, that we have people breaking down just the reports and kind of ignoring this, unprecedented data source. So that's my complaint. This isn't a standard case of police did everything by the books and someone else said something. This is a case where the police reports don't align with their body camera frequently. Sometimes they do. Sometimes those discrepancies may not matter. But in almost every case, if you go through police reports, they're not going to write down that they did stuff wrong. Not if they're thinking at all. Not if they know the rules at all. No cop is ever going to write down, well, I saw this guy fleeing, and I thought that's suspicious. I wonder if this unrelated car, not committing any current traffic infractions, might have some knowledge of that guy. I'm going to pull this car over. And then they happen to be right. No, they're not going to write down they acted on a complete wild-ass guess. They're going to write down some rationale which was legal for them to justify pulling the vehicle over. So, of course, the police reports are always going to show that police acted by the book, or if not always, a much higher percentage of the time than likely happened, because the odds that police will err against their acting on the books in their official reports is very slim.